hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Let me know down below. I love talking to you guys in the comments. But in today's video is something so exciting yet really upsetting, and I'm going to be going through products that Lush are discontinuing / re-releasing / releasing over the next month. There's a lot going on and I wanted to keep you guys updated, so grab yourselves a drink or a snack and let's dive into the video. So firstly, going through all the things that are being discontinued, the first item is the Lush Pink Tin. This is essentially a metal tin. It's £5 on the website. It is beautiful, don't get me wrong. If I had a smaller collection or I kept a lot of my collection in the bathroom, definitely a product that I would purchase, but because I keep all of mine in drawers, I don't really see the point in buying it, if you know what I mean. So yeah, if you want to get a tin or something nice to store your hair products in and stuff like that, definitely worth giving it a go, but for me it's not really worth £5. But that has been discontinued, just so you know. If you want to get one, make sure you get one soon because it's going to be going. The next item that's being discontinued is the Light Touch Facial Moisturising Bar Serum situation. I absolutely love this. I've been using this over the past week and my skin has been obsessed with it. It's full of witch hazel, so it's really, really great for like spots and things like that. Apart from the fact that I've got one recently, my skin has been so good recently, and then all of a sudden I wake up with a spot on my face. I'm really upset about it, but I have been absolutely loving it. I actually have mine over here, hang on. So this is mine. It's in a little packet and I've been really loving this. It just smells amazing. It's got chamomile blue oil in, I believe. Is it chamomile blue oil? Yeah, chamomile blue oil. So it just smells so relaxing. The texture is amazing. I love it so much. I'm so upset it's being discontinued, honestly. The one thing I will say about that though is it is £10 to buy, which is very, very expensive. However, it does seem to last a long time. I've used that about 7 or 8 times now and it hasn't really made much of a dent in it, so I'm really enjoying that. Really gutted it's been discontinued, but I do believe they have more in that kind of range. I think it's just that scent that they're getting rid of. So if you want to get one, but I'm upset. I'm fuming, but it's so good. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm just really gutted that that one's being discontinued. The next item that's being discontinued is a bubble bar, and this is the Crayon Reusable Bubble Bar. Now, personally for me, this isn't really my vibe. It's not one that I gravitate towards, constantly purchase. However, for children it's such a beautiful idea because you run it under the water, you get some beautiful pink bubbles, and you can write on the side of the bath with it. So clever, so fun. It is, I believe, £4.50. Yeah, £4.50. And scent wise it has a lot of grapefruit oil, bergamot oil, beetroot oil, so I think it's going to be quite a citrusy fragrance. I'm not sure. Let me know down below if you've tried that one, because personally, like I say, I haven't tried that one. But yeah, that's been discontinued as well, so if you want to pick that up, you need to do it soon because it's going to be going. And the last item that's being discontinued is the Jade Roller Cleansing Balm. Now, I personally not used this, but I have heard a lot of people absolutely rave about this product. Not sure why they're discontinuing it. It hasn't been out for very long, so I'm a little bit confused as to why they're getting rid of it. But ingredients wise, I will just go through just so you guys know what's kind of in it and things. So this one has marula oil, hazelnut oil, shea butter, rice bran wax, chamomile vinegar, rose water, peppermint oil, geranium oil, sage oil, eucalyptus oil, gardenia extract, and I've never used it. Again, it's not something that I've gravitated towards, but again, like I say, I do know a lot of people that absolutely love these solid cleansing balms. However, is it better than Ultra Bland and Ultra Plan? I don't know. I absolutely love Ultra Bland. I used it the other day for the first time in a very long time, and I remembered how much I loved to remove my makeup with it. So let me know if you guys have tried both of them, what you think of the kind of comparison and things, but I've never used it. However, it is £8.50, which is quite expensive considering I do believe it to be about this sort of size. So I don't know. Are you sad about that one being discontinued? Let me know down below because I'm not really that bothered. So now moving on to all the products that are coming back / are brand new. Now obviously I'm not going to have photos to share with you of all the brand new products because they're not online yet. I've not seen photos anywhere, so I do apologise, and I have no idea what they are, what they smell like, that kind of thing, but I will go through with you kind of the list anyway, if that makes sense. So there are 3 products which are being reintroduced into the Lush range. They used to be there, they got discontinued, and now they're coming back. The first one is the Black Rose Bath Bomb. Now, a lot of people do kind of want this to be reformulated, be a bit different. I'm definitely one of those people, I'm not gonna lie to you. I still have the original Black Rose Bath Bomb in my drawer because I'm so scared to use it because I really just don't want it to stain my bath. So it's still in my drawer, I've not even used it, and yeah, I do hope that they change the formula. I don't know, it scares me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. The second item which is being reintroduced into the collection is Think Pink. Now this bath bomb for me is an absolute classic. I'm not sure why they got rid of this in the first place because I absolutely love this product. The smell, the colour, the size, all of it. I think it's an absolutely stunning bath bomb and I really, really, really love it. But yeah, that one's coming back, which is great. And also, the Experimenter is coming back, which is so exciting because even though the Experimenter has a very smoky, woody, like slightly earthy kind of scent to it, I absolutely love this bath bomb. It's such a classic kind of Lush bath bomb for me because it came out when the Lush Oxford Street store opened, so for me it's just full of memories and I absolutely love it. So I'm so excited that one's coming back. Definitely gonna have to get one, so very excited for that. And lastly, I'm going to go through products which are brand new. I have no information on them, so I do apologise, but I will go through the names of all the products. So the first one is called Toby's Magic Cow. I have no idea what that's going to be. Is it going to be a bath bomb? Is it going to be a bubble bar? Whatever it is, I hope that it's in the shape of a cow because I'll be so disappointed if it's not. But that's coming out apparently. There's also one called Unicorn Poop, which I don't really like the name of, to be honest, because we have unicorn horn and I'm a bit like, are they going to get rid of unicorn horn and just call it unicorn poop now? No idea. Don't know if I like it though. Just sounds a bit childish, do you know what I mean? Not my favourite. Next up we have one called Diamond Dust. Again, no idea what this is. Is it a bath bomb? Is it a dusting powder? No clue. Sounds amazing though. We then have the Lakes Bath Bomb, which I got in the kitchen box, I think last month or the month just gone, which was really, really lovely. Really love the scent of that. It's beautiful, so really, really glad that's coming into the core collection. And lastly, there's something called Luxe, which again, no idea what that is. So if you guys know what any of those products are, please let me know down below. Give me some information because I actually have no idea what any of those are. But I'm excited, so yeah. Also, before I forget, there is a new perfume coming out. This is called Shade, and apparently it's described as a very sandalwoody kind of scent. So yeah, that's exciting. Is it going to be Smuggler's Soul kind of inspired? Who knows? Very excited for it though, excited to smell it, and I believe that's everything. So yes, that is everything. That is all the new products that are being released. That's all the products that are being discontinued as of right now as I'm filming this, which is yesterday for you guys. So I'm filming this on Saturday. I'll put this up tomorrow if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm very, very excited for all the new products. I'm not necessarily disappointed in many of the discontinued ones, to be honest, because I feel like they're all just kind of products that I forgot even existed apart from that oil. So yeah, not really that bothered. Let me know down below if you are gutted about any of the products being discontinued, or are you excited for any of the new ones. And please, if you know what any of those new products are, let me know down below because I have no idea whatsoever what Toby's Magic Cow is. Like what is that? I need to know. Let me know down below. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I upload Lush videos every Sunday, and then I usually upload another kind of video on a Wednesday, but I have been uploading a lot of Lush recently. So if you love Lush content, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye guys.